Oscar, I want to talk a little bit about economic numbers that we're getting. And of course, they're pretty dreadful. We got the flash PMI numbers coming out of Europe. What are they telling us?
Well, as you said, Alexis, they really are dreadful. The Eurozone and UK numbers this morning. And what they showed is the steepest drop on record of business activity for both the Eurozone and the UK, worse even than in 2008. Not only was it the steepest drop, but it was also dropping down to absolute levels that we haven't seen even during the depths of the 2008 crisis, signifying just how bad things are economically. Chris Williamson, the chief business economist at IHS Markit, said a recession of a scale we have not seen in modern history is looking increasingly likely.
Oscar, we have trading limit up here for U.S. futures, meaning that all three indexes have risen 5% in the pre-market. You've got a rally going on by you as well?
That's right. Despite this poor economic news and the UK lockdown, we're seeing major indices across Europe up between 4 and 6% this morning. Now, partly that is because of the rally in the futures that we're seeing over there and optimism that the US might pass this stimulus package that we've all been talking about. But I think it's also to do with the fact that the UK has put in place this lockdown. It's a sign that authorities here are taking this seriously. And the overwhelming thought here in Europe now is that actually it's better to have this harsh medicine now and potentially flatten the curve rather than to have a protracted, long crisis, essentially. We've also had numbers from Italy over the last 24 hours showing that there's been a slight slowdown in deaths and new cases, which again speaks to this idea that hopefully getting a handle on this crisis with possibly draconian measures may be the right way to go.
We'll take any encouraging news we can get. Oscar Williams-Grut, live in London. Thank you.
Hey investors, Zach Guzman here. Are you interested in learning more about the markets and getting the latest financial news? Well, then click right here to subscribe to our Yahoo Finance YouTube channel. Get the latest up-to-the-minute market analysis, big interviews in the world of finance, and information on how to manage your money every day wherever you are.